Here comes a loaded coal drag.
CSX N785-27 eastbound off here north WB. CSX BC dispatch Jackson Lansing. Alright, buddy, you headed down for that track line near East Buck Lodge. It's been pumping back and forth. 872 went across it. He's at 29.3, 29.4. He felt the bump there. Over. BA 29.3, somewhere around the 29.3, 29.4. He said he felt the bump going across to go on through there.
Also, there's a loaded coal drag
Alright, copy that. Here you go. BC's up.
sitting on truck 4 right now. So, not sure how long he's been sitting there. Well, not sure when he's going to leave. So, time is now 6:31. Sorry. That freight we saw at Pony Wax with the caboose and the thing, that was Q369. Guys look good. And then he came here to the sing deck and took the same car and caboose, took it west. He's sitting in Waverton now waiting for the last mark PA78. I'm not gonna catch him again because we were stored up on the wax. So, but I did take a picture of it. I didn't put it on Facebook. Alright, see you guys on the next one.